AFME hosts this event because it's such a crucial issue for the market liquidity. This is the 11th year, and every year we bring together practitioners from around the market to look at the issues and see whether we can find some of the answers to the fundamental questions that everyone in the markets is concerned about.
The conference is all about market liquidity, which is clearly one of the most important themes for financial markets today. How do markets function? There's a huge amount of QE going into these markets, but can they withstand a shock? And today we have gathered here a range of participants from with the market, from regulators, from central banks to discuss this very issue, and it's proving so far mid-morning extremely insightful.
Well, I think it's important that what we try to do is bring together all the market participants. Liquidity this year is the title. It's very important that we understand what's driving it, what's behind it. Is it market events? Is it regulation? What is causing interruptions or not in liquidity?
The main reason for having me on, I think, is that we have been through a period of economic turmoil, financial market turmoil, and now political turmoil. And the key is to try and knit all these factors together and explain why they're linked, and that's what I try to do.
I think this morning was a very good opportunity to listen different people, a different view on liquidity management, because I think there is a big need to have market participants to have a communal events where they can share their view how to define and measure liquidity. So today was a good opportunity to see different point of view.
Our aim is to bring together all parts of the market. So we've got buy side here, we've got sell side, we've got regulators, everybody who's involved with the market. So it's the opportunity to interact together, to discuss the topics of the day and really start planning ahead for their business.
I think that a good panel mixing together buy side and sell side, good networking and good theme in my opinion. The topics discussed about liquidity is the most important one, and we've got a lot of different views and so a good brainwashing.
I think really consistently every year what we find coming to the AFME market liquidity events is that it's really about the network, really coming back and bringing really our buy and sell side communities together and really discussing the issues of the day.
You just have to open the newspapers to see how important market liquidity is at the moment. People are concerned about how they can trade, whether they can trade, and I think bringing together people like this means that we can have a proper discussion, experts in the industry, the official sector, the policy world, to really try and address these issues, and very importantly in person, because I still believe, and AFME believes, that in-person conferences add an enormous amount of value beyond simply seeing what's written down or reading it online.